Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST here, VST Tech. As we all know, there are a lot of sources out there claiming that Samsung will release a very big camera update for the S23 series. And although I'm not 100% sure that it's coming, it might as well be true, right? So by the end of March, we should get an update and then even try to retest every scenarios that we already tested on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But I'm gonna show you something, guys, that I believe needs to be addressed first. So this here is the S23 Ultra. I'm gonna go to the video mode. This here is the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm gonna shoot 4K 30 FPS video on both phones because this will allow me to switch from the ultra wide to the wide camera, which is the main one, and then also use the optics or the telecamera. So let me just hit here the focus on the spot. Let me show you something, guys. I'm gonna start filming now on both phones, okay? And pay attention to the speed while I'm changing the lenses and the camera. So I'm gonna go right now on the ultra wide. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to 1. All right, you can just see how slow the S23 Ultra is, and I really want Samsung to try to improve this. Although I'm not so sure that's possible given the fact that we have here a different setup, but I still think that they should try it. Now I'm gonna go to the 3x, which is the next level zoom here. All right, one more time. See how slow? One more time. I'm gonna go now to the full 10x. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to the 1. Now have in mind that the Samsung has a fair more complex camera setup. Of course, we have 3x and 10x optical zoom, but still when I'm changing even from the ultra wide, all right, to the main camera, it happens really very slow on the S23 Ultra. I'm gonna do this several times so that you can just see. Okay, first on the iPhone. Really look, guys, it feels almost like in real time, like all the switch lenses, this happens so naturally, and of course it's so fast, and it's important while you're shooting a video. So here you see on the Samsung. All right, it's not bad, but it's slower, and I do believe that we need to have it fixed. So one more time, I'm gonna go to 1x here as well now. Okay. See, it is really slower, and I do believe that kind of needs fixing. Even when we engage with the zoom cameras, and now back to the 1. Yeah, it's hard for me to do this, but I think you pretty much get the point one more time. Okay, and now I'm gonna do it one more time on the 1. See, definitely this is slower, and I really believe that Samsung needs to fix this. If you agree with me, guys, let me know. Leave a comment down below what you want Samsung to fix for your S23 phone in this, let's say, so big March update that is coming apparently for the camera. Let me know down below in the comments. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.